Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this cordless angle grinder 20V from Parkside, the model PWSAM 20LIA1. Bare unit only without battery and charger. Compatible with all batteries in the X20V Team series. No load rotation speed 19,500 RPM. Cutting disc size diameter is 76mm. With M6 spindle lock. 3 years warranty, accessories included, and let's open the box and find out more about this product. Nice durable case, and as I was expecting, only the power tool. Of course we have in the manual, if you want to read it is your choice, but stay with me, I'm gonna find out all about this product. So at the case we can install the 8Ah battery or the 4Ah battery, professional battery, both batteries, or you can install of course the charger. Goes here with a cable and close. Nice. Everything at the case. Now you don't need to have the 8Ah battery or the 4Ah battery professional because it has a low demand for power, this angle grinder. You can use the regular batteries from Parkside, 4Ah and 2Ah. But if you have other power tools, definitely you can buy the 8Ah professional or 4Ah professional. It depends the demand that it has your power tool. Allen key included. And here it is the power tool. We have in this guard. Find the right position. You can remove the plastic. This is metal, this is plastic. And reinstall very easy. Nice. We have the spindle lock. Press the button. It locks and then you can remove with an Allen key the disc. Included we have one disc. It is very easy to install again. Pressing the button, it locks. Perfect. Reinstall again this plastic guard. We have the on-off switch. Press and it will lock. And it can work continuously. Press and unlock. And of course you can use the 4Ah professional, 2Ah non-professional or 4Ah non-professional. The same the 8Ah. But it is heavy. I think it is better to use the 4Ah. With that I will start my test. I like it. It has a compact ergonomic design with practical one-handed operation. Ideal for narrow spaces, for cutting and grinding metal, tiles and plastic. With a non-slip soft grip elements, it helps very good. Some soft elements here. If it will fall down accidentally, it will protect the angle grinder. On a black and green color. The spindle lock, it helps for easy disc change. It is a tool-free adjustable 2-in-1 protective hood for cutting and grinding, and it is suitable for all standard cutting and grinding discs at the market. Now, comparison. I have the old angle grinder. Wow, it is more huge. We can see at the handle how it looks. At the old, it doesn't have the second guard, but it is adjustable. Both angle grinders are compatible with 76mm disc. This angle grinder has an LED indicator for the battery. This it doesn't have, because all the 20V batteries, they have an LED indicator at the battery. And of course you can lock. It has a different on-off locking switch. But they are doing the same job. The spindle lock, both tools they have here on a different position. Of course, I like more the newest model. It has a thinner grip here and it helps me a lot. And of course, this oldest model is working with the 12V batteries, if that is a 4Ah or the 2Ah battery. I have made a video and for this angle grinder in the past. And of course the newest model, it has the 20V battery. Because the 20V battery, you can use it for any power tool. I think Parkside is moving on only to the 20V batteries, so I don't think so you will see again power tools, newest tools with 12V batteries. Maybe, I don't know. I'm getting this feeling. We will see. Of course, at the store I'm seeing very often with 12V batteries. So let's move on now and test this 20V angle grinder. Starting with this metal tube, the thickness it is 3mm, measuring and the time. Sometimes it stops at the process when I'm pressing too much at the metal. After 4 seconds it's starting again. I need to turn off the switch and turn on again. It takes about 1 minute to cut this metal tube. I like the results, it's clean cut. Because the battery has a flat surface, it can stand at this position. I like that, very convenient. Next step, cutting this plastic tube. Cutting this plastic was very easy. For my final cut, this metal rebar with thickness 10mm. That will be a challenge for this angle grinder. It takes about 1 minute and 30 seconds. The results are amazing. Clean cut without a doubt.
Small and powerful angle grinder that you can use it at any materials, metal, ceramic tiles, plastic, copper and more, with the power of 20-volt battery. The tool is performing very well, I like it. Sometimes it stops when I'm pressing too much, but it is okay for me. For that kind of small tool, I think the results are amazing. Thank you for watching, my viewers. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.